Hi guys, hi everyone. So today I have for you 5 tips for better and stronger squats. And why? Because first of all, strong is the new sexy. And secondly, squats are amazing for strengthening and shaping up your legs, your glutes, your core, and for improving your joint mobility and flexibility. So this is the tip number 1. The most common question I get about squats is, do I keep my knees straight or should I have my knees slightly outwards? So if you're doing my workouts or if you're using squats for just general conditioning, which means are you doing squats with just your body weight and then maybe extra dumbbells or not so heavy barbell, because when it comes to powerlifting and Olympic lifting, there are different variables, different rules that apply to this. But if you're just using squats for general conditioning, there are just a few tips that are very helpful and that you should be following. So first of all, you can keep your knees straight as long as your knees are following your toes. So that said, if your toes are pointing straight forward, you can have your knees forward as long as they're not buckling in. So they have to be always tracking your toes. So it's not a huge mistake, but that said, if you point your toes slightly outwards and then your knees are pointing slightly outwards as well, you get a stronger squat. And you're gonna be targeting more your glute muscles, which means your butt muscles. And in this position, the rock bottom position, you're gonna have much more strength to push yourself up off of the heels, and also you're gonna be able to keep your back straight more easily than if your knees and toes are pointing straight forward. The second important thing to remember is to keep your chin in neutral position. So when you're squatting, do not bring your chin down and do not bring your chin up. Keep it straight and look forward, because you don't want to put any pressure on your spine, on your neck, and you don't want to put any instability into your movement. Tip number 3, you want to be arching your back so that your back doesn't round at any point of your squat. If you round your back at any point of the squat, you're risking a lower back injury. Most of lower back injuries happen when you're squatting and you round your back. So you have to be really thinking about it, because you want to put all the pressure on your legs, not on your lower back. So arch your back, stick your chest out, and then squat. Tip number 4, always push off of your heels. Driving off of your heels is really important because it provides you with more stable platform than if you were shifting your weight towards your toes, and driving off of your heels also activates your leg muscles more effectively. Tip number 5, work on your joint mobility and flexibility. Having a good mobility in your joints and being flexible is going to be really important for your squats, because it's going to make your movement more fluid. You know, you're gonna feel less resistance, and it's great for preventing an injury. So having a great mobility is not just good for your athletic performance, it's also really important for your health. And there is a way how you can work on your joint mobility, and it's a simple exercise. You're just gonna go down into rock bottom squat. Your weight is on your heels, your toes are pointed slightly outwards like we talked about it already. Your knees follow your toes, and you just sit in this rock bottom position with your back arched. So no rounding back. And you would be surprised how difficult this exercise is for so many people. So many people that I've met are having a hard time to sit in this basic position. Little kids can sit in this position, but we adults, as we sit on chairs all the time, and our mobility and flexibility decreases because we're not moving as much. Our life is sedentary. We have to work actively on our joint mobility and our flexibility. So try to hold this rock bottom position. Make it a part of your warm-up before your training. Try to hold it for a minute or 2. It's going to really help you with not just squatting, but all other exercises that we do in the Z gym together, or any exercises, bodyweight exercises that you do